Hey guys, it's me Justy. It's my first video for my little puppy Skyla. Here she is. Hello, Miss Skyla. Come on, come on. Oh, you're so sweet. And she's 3 months old. She's a half Japanese Spitz and half Labrador. And he bites me all the time, like that. And she's in the washer. She has a brown eyes. Oh gosh. Come on. Here she is. She wants to go inside, but I can't forgive her because my mother don't like her anymore. Here she is. Come on, Skyla. Come on. Come on. Come on, Skyla. Ouch. That really hurt. So this is my first video. Bye. And wait a minute. I give a shout out to my Japanese Spitz. Ouch. Bye.